Dad. Sorry. Can I go to the stop sign?
Me too.
Yes or no?
I'm following Melissa.
Don't be dumb like me and go barefoot.
Wait, what did you say?
Don't be dumb like me and go barefoot.
I got my shoes on. Plus, you're not dumb. I would have done it too. Oh, God. Someone said,
There's fireworks down there.
where?
Down all the way. In
Yeah.
that area.
Yeah, when are the fireworks shooting? You barely could see the fireworks. Kinda. Here's some shine. It's all the way behind the trees. Okay.
Oh, there's fireworks over there too, Austin.
Crap! I almost got that.
That's cool. What is?
You?
Like we can see that from there. That's cool.
What is?
We see the fireworks from there.
Whoa.
Marissa, are those illegal fireworks?
Oh, probably illegal.
Guys, get out of the street.
Yeah.
Then why are they doing it then?
They got permits.
No, but you know nobody really cares.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or they got permits to use them.
You're so smart.
Oh, shut up.
I'm gonna catch lightning on video.
That was awesome, kind of.
Katie?
Yeah.
Like,
There you
can
go.
you not?
Or can you shut up?
There's some back over there too.
Dang.
Oh my God. What? No talking.
Shut up.
No talking for you either, you little white boys.
Stop. Behave.
I'm a girl, by the way.
White girl. White girl.
Austin. There's
Behave.
people outside right over there making noise.
The best ones were coming back.
Shut up, you little white boy. You don't think I know that, you little whiter.
Stop being a racist. You're even white, too.
No, I'm not.
Not even white.
I'm black on the inside.
Look. Shut up. The people that called on us.
If I were to run, shut up. To be honest.
No, I meant it's the
Yeah, well, you're
lesbian couple
I'll
down
tell you
there.
to shut up when it says. Wow. That looked like.
Whoa. Dang, bruh.